In today's video, we have received a new package from the DT number 1 which contains the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic alternatives. So we have the DT Watch Ultra 2 and the DT Watch Ultra 2 Pro. First of all, let's take a look at the DT Watch Ultra 2. The first impressions video of the DT Watch Ultra 2 Pro is coming very soon on the channel, so make sure you are subscribed and have the notifications turned on. Here is the smartwatch. Let's get it out. We have a screen protector here. I'm gonna take it off. So first of all, let's take a look at the contents in the box. Then we'll turn on the smartwatch and take a first look on it. So here is the box, inside which we get these straps. We have an user manual, and here is a USB-A wireless charger. So here are the straps. Let's try them out. So you'll have to click them just like the Samsung watch, and here it is. It's looking quite good. I'm really liking this new look. Let's turn it on by pressing and holding the bottom key. So here is the first look on the smartwatch. Let's take a quick look at the watch faces. We have this themed watch face. After that, we have this old Samsung watch face. Then we get this one. It does not have the crown key like the Samsung watch. Previously, these base models were rounded, but now it's given a shape similar to the Ultra, although they are keeping it simple. Let's go to the next one. You can tap on the display to change the color of the pointers. And here is the first look on the UI. So let's check out its look on the wrist. Let's wear it. And it works like the Apple Watch straps. And here is how it looks like. I really like this new look. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. The full review is coming very soon on iMAT gadgets, so make sure you are subscribed and have the notifications turned on. And for the future unboxings, including the DT Watch Ultra 2 Pro and the DT glasses, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and have the notifications turned on. I will see you in the next video.